In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix when an error occurs when Roblox is starting. So be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Many of these issues are often fixed by the same solution, and that's because they can all occur given this actual property. Now you're going to go onto Roblox player icon and just click on properties. From there, you're going to click on compatibility, and this will not be checked for you, but make sure it's checked and click on Windows 7, not Windows 8. And then you're going to make sure that these two are clicked as well. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Now, to actually make sure that this works, what you're going to do is make sure that you run the compatibility troubleshooter. To do this, you're going to click the button and click on this second option and just click on Next, Windows 7, and then test the program. It'll ask for your permission to test the program, and then once that is done, you're just going to click on Next, save these settings, and it'll tell you that the problem is fixed. And as you can see, Roblox has launched. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.